Alden Richard update, and spotted si Aldo sa Shinagawa Lasik Center sa BGC. Sabi dito sa post, visiting our man of the world sponsor Shinagawa Aesthetic Philippines, then bump with the pambansang Bay Alden Richard. Mukhang nagpa-check up yata ng mata si Alden. At ito pa nga yung bagong motor ni Alden. Sabi dito sa post, thank you Sir Alden Richard for choosing Motor Express. Delivered door to door talaga, yun no. Yung motor ni Alden na Honda Advance 350.
Ayan to the junior high school completers of Rosario Integrated School headed by Dr. Alicia Aprecio. Congratulations and God bless you all.
Yun no. And the trio, Alden, Mama 10 at Lesang during Ironman. Solid yan. Ito yung stars on the floor. Ito kanina na siniship si Alden. Tapos yung pasyanti. Yung mga tingin. Nabangan sa Sunday, stars on the floor. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.